Hello guys! Welcome to another English session. Today we want to speak about future tense. At first, I want to say that we have two structures for future tense, but we want to start from the easiest one. I mean will plus verb. In this structure, we have subject plus will plus verb, or subject plus will not or won't plus verb. And for question form, we have will plus subject plus verb. Now we want to learn that in which situations we can use will. Number 1. To predict an action in the future that we are not 100% sure of. Like, I will live in a big house when I'm older. The second one. To request something. Like, will you bring some more water, please? The third one, to promise an offer, like, I'll help you with your homework. And the last one, to make instant decisions. In this case, we usually offer or promise to do something. For example, we will check the sales figures and you check the expenses. Let's look at an example together. For the positive sentence, we have I will go to party tomorrow. As you know, after will or won't, the verb will be simple. For the negative sentence, we have I won't go to party tomorrow or I will not go to party tomorrow. And for question, will I go to party tomorrow? Positive answer, yes I will, and negative answer, no I won't. Now let's look at some adverbs for this time. Like tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, next weekend. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the videos.